Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. This time we'll be dealing with volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere. Yes. So the image you're seeing on the screen is the volume, is a sphere. You can see how it is. So this is a radius. A line drawn from the circumference to the center of the circle is a radius. So if it is crossed to the other part of the circumference, it becomes diameter. That is why we say 2 radii is equal to diameter. So let's get into the volume of a sphere. The volume of a sphere is given to be volume of sphere is given by 4 over 3 pi r cube. So this is the formula to calculate volume of a sphere. 4 over 3 pi r cube. So what happens in a case where the r is not given? I mean the radius is not given. That means we will need the diameter. So it's as simple as remembering that 2 radii is equals to diameter. Therefore, the radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. So if you choose to find the radius before using this formula, it is good and fine. Otherwise, the formula would become 4 over 3 pi. Remember that r is now d divided by 2. So d divided by 2 cube. So that it becomes 4 over 3 pi d cube over 8. So this formula tool is still good. So you can transform your formula from here to be this when radius is not given and you want to calculate with diameter. So let's solve some questions on volume of sphere. Question number 1 says calculate the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. So calculate the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. So it's not as difficult as what we could think it is. So we just state the formula into the solution. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by r cube, since r is what is given in the question. So it becomes 4 over 3 multiply. Remember the value of pi is always 22 over 7. 22 over 7 multiplied by r, which is the radius, 7 cube. So 7 centimeter over 1 multiplied by 7 centimeter over 1 multiplied by 7 centimeter over 1. That is r cube. So I can simply say 7 divide 7. So I'll be left with 4 times 22. That is 88 multiplied by 7 times 7, 49. But we have centimeter in 3 places. So that will be 49 centimeter cube. Divide by 3. Now 88 multiplied by 49. 88 multiplied by 49 is equals to 4,312. So centimeter cube. So all over 3. If I divide it by 3, 3 here 1, 3 in 4 is 1, remainder 1 I'll put it here, 3 in 13 is 4, that's to make it 12, so remainder 1, 3 in 11 is 3, remainder 2, so 3 in 22 is 7, remainder 1, so I'll put decimal point, that one I'll add 0, 3 in 10 will give me 3, it will still remain 1, so I'll keep getting 3, 3, 3, 3, so I can put it to 2 decimal place, 1437.33 centimeter cube. So that is the volume of this sphere we are asked to calculate. So let's take example number 2. Example number 2 is a case where the radius is not given. The question says if the diameter of a sphere is 6 centimeter, is 6 centimeter, comma, find the volume of the sphere. So looking at this question, if the diameter of a sphere is 6 centimeter, comma, find the volume of the sphere. So let's go into the solution. So now this time around, radius is not given but diameter is given. So I can make it simple for myself to say that since 2 radii is equals to diameter, so I should know that diameter divided by 2 is equals to radius. So since that the diameter given here is 6 centimeter, so I'll just say 6 centimeter divided by 2, that is 3 centimeter. So that tells that my radius is 3 centimeter. Then I can now start solving with the formula 4 over 3 pi r cube. So that will be 4 over 3 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by 3 centimeter over 1, 3 centimeter over 1 multiplied by 3 centimeter over 1. So I can make this simpler to say 3 divide 3. So 4 times 4 will give me 8 over 7. So multiply by, I'm left with 9 here, 9 centimeter cube, because I have centimeter cube over 1. So 88 multiplied by 9 is 792 centimeter cube. How? 9 times 8 is 72. I'll write 2 and keep 7. 9 times 8 is 72 plus the 7 I kept, 792 centimeter cube all over 7. So let's divide it. 7 here 1, 7 here 1, 7 in 9 is 1, remainder 2. So I'll put it 2 here. 7 in 22 is 3. So I'll be left with 1. If I put decimal point, I'll add 0 to that 1. How many 7 can I get from 10? I will have 1, remainder 3. How many 7 can I get in 30? I will have 4, remainder 2. How many 7 can I get in 20? I will have 2, remainder 6. So let us put it to 2 decimal place or 1 decimal place. So it is 113.14 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of a sphere whose diameter is 6 centimeter. I believe you understood all that we did in this video. Pause and watch again. Get the formula installed in your memory so that it can be used anytime it is needed. Bye bye. See you in the next video.